Daddy! Hey, Dad! Where does a baby MP3 like me come from?
Well, son, while I was traveling somewhere in Europe, I met your mother, an engineer named Kodak. Well, you see, son, when CD tracks and code decoders meet and love each other, they create beautiful and high-quality music.
Dad, I am confused.
Well, son, these are the three basic principles behind the way you were created, known as perceptual noise shaping. First, you need to realize there are certain sounds that human ears cannot hear. Second, certain sounds are heard much better than others. And lastly, if two sounds are heard simultaneously, people hear the louder but not the softer one.
What does that have to do with me?
Well, this allows you to be 1/10 my size but with all the same quality. After I imported my music into your mother's decoder, you were compressed and broken down into small sections called frames. These frames were analyzed and the sounds that could not be heard by the ear were removed. Then you were encoded to find the redundancies in sound and were compressed further. The final product was a serial hit stream.
So why does Mommy make music with so many other daddies?